Welcome to Home of Om. Let's work together and build a yoga practice. So go get your yoga mat and we'll work together.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Let's work for 10 minutes to finish the day. So we're going to come into a child's posture. Let your bum sink towards your heels. Stretch the arms out in front of you. Let the head rest towards the mat. And take a few breaths here. Just letting go of work, letting go of the things that you did today. Finding the breath. Muscles are relaxing. So work very gently here. So I have my hands, they're placed flat onto the floor. And with inhale, I'm going to raise the head up and come forwards. And as I come forwards, I'm going to bend my elbows and let the hips begin to sink. And exhale, pushing back, letting the whole back relax. And with an inhale, coming forwards, the elbows begin to bend, the hips are sinking. And exhale. This is a very gentle exercise. Don't stress in any way. Elbows begin to bend, the hips begin to sink. And exhale. Slowly, slowly. And inhale. Whole back relaxes, elbows bend, hips begin to sink. And exhale. And we're going to go a little bit deeper into this exercise. So as you inhale, we're coming forwards, not more stressful, just a little more movement. The elbows begin to bend, and you can roll the whole body down towards the mat. And with an inhale, you begin with the head, then the neck, and use the muscles of the stomach a little bit into the arms. And exhale, push yourself back into a child's position. We do 2 or 3 more here. This is inhaling, the elbows begin to bend, the hips are sinking, and roll down like a snake as you come towards the floor. And inhale, bring the head, the chest, coming all the way up. Exhale, into the child's posture. 2 more. Deep inhale. Elbows begin to bend, hips begin to sink. Exhale, slowly rolling down. Inhale, head and chest. And then pushing back into the child's posture. Let's go for this last one, right? Inhaling, coming over the hands, elbows bend, the hips begin to sink. And exhale, roll down. Inhale, raising the head, the chest, coming up, and exhale into the child's posture. So let's go a little bit deeper now. We're going to go into the pigeon posture. So I'm bringing my weight over the hands, pushing back into the heels. And with the inhale, I'm bringing my right knee forwards and placing it between the hands. I'll exhale. Drop over the knee. Now I'm not going to stay here at the beginning. I'm going to inhale, raise up like a cobra. Come onto the left foot and push back into the downward dog. Let's work on the left side. So inhale, bringing the left knee forwards, keeping the shoulders relaxed, and roll down into the pigeon posture. With the inhale, lifting up, connect with your hands, and push back into the down dog. Inhale, right leg comes forward. So we do it once again on this side. So here, this right buttock is sinking towards the mat. And let the head drop down towards the floor. Inhale, lifting the head up, shoulders relaxed. Come onto the left foot and push back into the down dog. Last one in this way. Left leg comes forward, hip sinks, exhale, sinking forwards. Inhale, raising the head. Connect with the hands and push back into the downward dog. So here we're going to have a little change. We're going to inhale, bring this right leg forwards. We're going to come up onto the tips of the fingers and look up towards the ceiling and have 3 deep breaths. This is 1 and 2 and 3. Let yourself drop down towards the knee. The arms come forwards, and we're going to relax here for 5 breaths. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Bringing the hands beside the body, lifting up the head, coming onto the toes and pushing back into the downward dog. Let's work on the left side. So bringing this left knee forwards, coming up onto the fingers. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Look up to the ceiling. 3 deep breaths here. 1 and 2 and 3. And with an exhale, drop down towards the floor. Let the hands stretch in front of you. The head sinks to the mat. And stay here and for 5 deep breaths. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Bringing the hands back, coming all the way up. Now we're going to go into the downward dog. So we're going to push back onto the heels and stay here for 5 breaths. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bringing the weight forwards towards the hands, walking forward with the feet. And we're going to slowly bring ourselves all the way up into standing. And let's work together with Surya Namaskar, or prayer to the sun. So bringing the hands together. Inhaling, bringing the arms up and above the head and a little back. Exhale, stretch forwards. Yeah? Letting the knees bend and the hands go flat. Inhale, right leg comes back, lifting the head. Hold your breath, left leg comes back, body is in a line. As you exhale, drop the knees, drop the chest, and drop the chin or the forehead. Inhale, like a snake, move forward into a cobra. Keep the elbows a little bent, shoulders relaxed. Exhale, push back into the heels, into this downward dog. Inhale, raising the head, right leg comes forward. Exhale, and it's okay to keep the knees soft here as you bring the left leg in. Stretching the arms forwards, inhale, come up, and a little back, and exhale, and completely relax. Let's work on the left side. Inhale, and exhale, bringing the hands together. Inhale, and 1, and 2, and 3. Exhale for 3, 1, and 2, and 3. The hands come to the mat. Inhale, stretch the left leg back, holding your breath. 1, and 2, and 3, and exhale, drop the knees, drop the chest and chin. Stretch the legs. Inhale is a cobra. Exhale, push back into the heels, staying relaxed in your back. Inhale, bring the left leg forwards. Exhale, right leg comes in, and we're going to stretch the arms forward and inhale and come all the way up and a little back. And exhale and completely relax. So next one, we're going to work on the right side. A deep inhale, slow exhale, bringing the hands together in prayer. Inhale, stretching arms up, and come a little back. As you exhale, stretch forward, forwards, forwards, forwards. Bend the knees, connect with your mat. Inhale, right leg comes back. Hold the breath, left leg, body's in a line. Exhale, Drop the knees, then drop the chest and come down, stretching into the legs. Inhale into this Cobra. Exhale, pushing back into the downward dog. Inhale, bring the right leg forwards. Exhale, connect with the mat. Knees are slightly bent. And a deep inhale to bring the arms forwards, come up and come a little back. And exhale and relax. Next time on the left side, inhale, exhale, bring the hands together into prayer. Deep inhale, and 1, 2, 3, exhale, coming forward, slow exhale, 2 and 3, hands connect. Inhale, left leg comes back, raising the head. Hold your breath for 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and then exhale, drop the knees, chest, chin or forehead. Stretching legs. Inhale into the Cobra. Exhale. Here's the down dog. Inhale, left leg forward, raising the head. Exhale, right leg, keep connection with the hands. Knees are soft. Inhale, come forwards and up and a little back. And exhale. So here's the last round on each side. Deep inhale. Slow exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, come up and a little back. Exhale, stretching forwards, let the knees come soft. Hands connect to the mat. Inhale, stretch the right leg back. Hold the breath, left leg, 2 and 3. Exhale, knees drop. Then the chest and chin or forehead. Inhale is Cobra. Exhale, the down dog. Inhale, right leg comes forward, lifting the head. Come onto the hands. Exhale, left leg comes in. Inhale, stretch the arms forwards and up and a little back. And slow exhale, coming into the standing position. Last time, deep inhale. Slow exhale to bring the hands together. Inhale, stretching the arms up and little back. Exhale, stretch forward, knees are soft, and the hands connect to the mat. Inhale, left leg, raising the head. Hold the breath, and 2 and 3. Exhale, knees, chest, and chin. Stretch the legs. Inhale is a Cobra. Exhale, the downward dog. Inhale, bringing this left leg forward. Shoulders staying relaxed. Exhale, right leg. And for the last time, inhale, stretch forwards and up and a little back. And exhale and completely relax. So now we're finished our 10-minute practice. So now we want to lie on the floor and take 2 minutes to completely relax. So we're going to come into Shavasana. So come and lay on the floor with the legs a little wide. We're going to bring the arms beside the body, the palms facing up towards the ceiling. Let your eyes close. And for the next 2 minutes, you have nothing to do. Completely relax.
The feet relax, the ankles, the legs and the knees relax, the hips relax. Let the abdomen and the chest relax. The shoulders, the arms, the hands and the fingers relax. The neck is relaxed. The head relaxes on the floor. The muscles of the face relax. The jaw, the mouth, the tongue relaxes. The cheeks and the eyes relax. The brain is relaxed. The nervous system relaxes. The breath is relaxed. And just for these few moments, completely let go. Let go of the outside world. Let go of any problems. There's absolutely nothing to do. Then begin to stretch the arms out over the head, connecting again to the body, and slowly bring yourself to a comfortable, cross-legged, seated position.
And let's chant Om 3 times and Shanti 3 times together. So come in Chin Mudra, bring the thumb and the index finger together. Allow the hands to rest upon the knees. Let your shoulders completely relax. Close the eyes and let's chant together.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.